Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon's global selling program. Let's get into it. If you're following along from my screen, we're going to discuss how to use Amazon's global selling program. If you're looking to expand your business and reach customers worldwide, this program can help you do just that. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Click on the burger icon in the top left corner to open the menu, then navigate to Inventory and select Sell Globally. You'll see a list of Amazon's international marketplaces. Select the marketplaces where you want to list your products, such as Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.de, Amazon.co.jp, and Amazon.fr. If you're not already registered in a chosen marketplace, follow the registration process. You'll need to provide some business information and agree to the terms of service for each marketplace. You can choose to list existing products from your inventory or add new ones. Make sure that your product listings meet the requirements of each marketplace, including local regulations and language. Next, decide whether you'll fulfill orders from your home country or use Fulfillment by Amazon, also known as FBA, in each marketplace. Using FBA can simplify logistics and improve delivery times. Set competitive prices for each marketplace. Consider currency conversion, shipping costs, and local taxes when pricing your products. Be prepared to provide customer service in the languages of the marketplaces you're selling in. Amazon offers tools and services to help with translations and customer inquiries. Make sure your products comply with the regulations and standards of each country you're selling in. This includes labeling, safety standards, and import restrictions. That's it. By following these steps, you can successfully use Amazon's global selling program to expand your business and reach customers around the world. We hope this guide helps you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.